Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Registry drives. In this video, you'll learn how to access and navigate the Windows Registry using PowerShell drives. The registry is a critical database in Windows that stores system and application settings, and PowerShell provides a powerful way to interact with it using familiar commands. PowerShell drives are virtual file system-like interfaces that let you navigate and manipulate different data stores as if they were disk drives. Think of them as a bridge that makes complex data structures feel familiar. Registry drives specifically provide this file system metaphor for working with the Windows Registry. Instead of using complex registry APIs or tools, you can treat registry keys and values just like folders and files on your hard drive. PowerShell provides two primary registry drives by default. First is HKLM:, which stands for HKey_local_machine. This drive contains machine-wide settings that affect all users on the computer. Second is HKCU:, which stands for HKey_current_user. This drive contains settings specific to the currently logged-in user. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial for managing system-wide versus user-specific configurations. To see all PowerShell drives available on your system, use the Get-PSDrive command. This cmdlet displays all drives, including traditional file system drives like C: and D:, as well as special PowerShell drives like the registry drives we're discussing. Running this command gives you a complete overview of what data stores you can access through PowerShell's drive interface. To navigate to a registry drive, use the set-location command, just like you would change directories in a file system. For example, set-location HKLM: takes you to the local machine registry hive, and set-location HKCU: takes you to the current user hive. Once you're in a registry drive, your current location context changes, and subsequent commands operate within that registry hive. After navigating to a registry drive, you can list registry keys using Get-ChildItem, which works exactly like listing directories. For instance, Get-ChildItem HKLM:\software shows all the subkeys under the software key in local machine. Similarly, Get-ChildItem HKCU:\software lists subkeys in the current user's software section. This familiar syntax makes registry exploration intuitive for anyone comfortable with file system navigation. To view the actual values stored in a registry key, use the Get-ItemProperty cmdlet. For example, Get-ItemProperty-path HKLM:\software\Microsoft retrieves all the properties or values stored in that particular registry key. Properties in the registry are equivalent to the actual data stored, like version numbers, installation paths, or configuration settings. This cmdlet returns an object containing all these values that you can read or manipulate. Using registry drives offers several significant advantages. First, you get a familiar interface, allowing you to navigate the registry like a file system without learning new syntax. Second, you can use standard cmdlets like Get-ChildItem and set-location that you already know from file system operations. Third, it provides efficient access through direct path-based operations. Finally, it enables simplified scripting, making registry automation and management much easier. These benefits make PowerShell Registry drives an essential tool for system administrators and power users.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.